Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to learn a new topic. Our new topic is Al-Mufrad wal-Jama, singular and plurals in Arabic. Al-Mufrad means singular, wal-Jama means plural. So let's start. Al-Mufrad wal-Jam lahu qisman. It has two types. Jama muzakkar for masculine, Jama muannas for females, for feminines. Okay. Tajir. First we are discussing about masculine. Tajir, merchant. Tujjar, merchants. Tajir, tujjar. Okay, the next word is Tabib. Tabib means doctor. Tabib and its plural is Atibba, doctors. Tabib, doctor. Atibba, doctors. Mudarris. Mudarris means teacher. Mudarris, teacher. Mudarrisuna, teachers. Plural is Mudarrisuna, teachers. So, Rajul. Rajul means man. Rajul, man. Its plural is Rijal, men. Rijal, men. Plural. Okay. So the next word is Hajjun. Hajjun means pilgrim, the one who goes for Hajj. Hajjun. Hujjaj. Its plural is Hujjaj, pilgrims, Hajis. Kalb. Kalb means dog. Kalb, dog. Its plural is Kilab, dogs. Kilab, dogs. Kalb, dog. Okay, next word is Fatan. Fatan means young man. Fatan, young man, and its plural is Fitya. Fitya is plural and it means young men. Shaykh. Shaykh means old man. Shaykh, old man, and its plural is Shuyukh. Shuyukh means old men. Plural, old men. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the Jam'u Sifat, plural of adjectives. So, what are the plurals for adjectives? The one rule is that we don't have plurals in English for adjectives, but we have it in Arabic. Faqir. Faqir means poor, and its plural is fuqara, poor. Faqir is also poor, and fuqara is its plural. Kabir. Kabir means big. Kabir means big, and its plural is kibar. Kabir, plural is kibar. So, the next word is Saghir. Saghir means small. Saghir means small, and its plural is Sigar. Its plural is Sigar. Saghir, small, plural is Sigar. Tawil. Tawil means tall. Tawil, tall, and its plural is Tiwal. Tiwal. Tawil means tall, and the plural of Tawil is Tiwal. Mujtahid. Mujtahid means hardworking. Mujtahid means hardworking, and its plural is Mujtahiduna. Mujtahid means hardworking, and the plural is Mujtahiduna. Bint. Bint means daughter. Banat, daughters. So now we are discussing some feminine words. Bint, daughter. Banat, daughters. Okay, next word is Mudarrisa. Mudarrisa means teacher. Mudarrisa, teacher, and the plural is Mudarrisat, teachers. Tabibat means doctors. Tabibatun, doctor. Tabibat, doctors. Tabibatun, doctor, and Tabibat means doctors. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson. Jazakumullahu khairan wa barakallahu lakum.